Alright, I want to start talking about something quick. I was thinking about, I was working out at the gym, is that why you should stop making content before AI will replace you. Let me explain. So, people are getting all paranoid about AI. Like saying, oh, AI is going to replace jobs, it's going to replace the photography, it's going to replace, I don't know, software engineers, all that stuff. And yeah, it probably fucking will, honestly, replace that. But however, what AI can't replace is human connection. It won't replace human connection. Oh fuck, it's pretty hot, man. Just trying to put the aircon. Actually, I won't put the aircon so you can hear the audio. The thing about AI won't replace is human connection. Because the thing about AI is just a machine. It's just a tool in the end, alright? That's what AI is. It's just a tool to make things quicker. That's what AI is really. It's just a way to make taking photos a lot more easier, to do things a lot quicker, right? But the thing about AI is AI might replace stock photography, right? Which it probably will replace stock photography. Let's say I take like a landscape photo of Iceland, right? And I post it to stock photography, right? It will replace that. But however, AI won't replace the person who has a strong reputation who take that photo. That's what AI won't replace. It won't replace the human element, the person who took that photo, the person who built like a very strong reputation who took that photo. And the reason why I want to elaborate on why you should start making content, because in the end of the day, content's basically free marketing. It literally is. And also that now these days we live in a world where people get most of their information from content creators or influencers or people who post stuff on the internet. Like think about it, right? Like let's say like the news, right? You don't trust the fucking news because you think the news is bullshit. It's all media shit. It's all bullshit crap. You don't trust the news, right? But however, you've got to trust someone else who makes content because it's a bit more authentic, because it's an actual human person expressing opinions. What AI won't replace is it won't replace the perspective of that person. It just won't. Because the only reason why people listen to people, because they want to hear from their experience, such as the struggles they went through. And the only way you can share that is through making content. I think content is such a massive, powerful tool to build your personal brand. Because when you make content, right, people are falling for who you are. It actually shows you're authentic and what you actually do. That's why I'm going hard making content. That's why in my Instagram account or my photography account, I put my face in front of the camera, because it's going to get to the point where AI is going to replace probably a lot of photography. But the thing what AI won't replace is human connection. They won't replace me. They won't replace a human person. It just won't be the same. It can replace a robot. It will replace tutorial content, but it won't be replacing the person who talks in front of the camera, or replace the person who has built that authority. For example, right? Let's say one of the biggest photography YouTubers out there, Peter McKenna, right? Probably one of the most known YouTube photographers out there, right? Now, if AI comes along and replaces photography, right? He won't be replaced it because he's built that name. He's like whatever photo he takes, people still see value in his work because he's built that reputation on the type of photography or the brand awareness he has taken before. That's what AI won't replace. So in saying that, that's why I reckon you should start making content. Make content about your life. Make content about the jobs you do. Because if you make content, people will start to relate to you. Because everyone's always scared about, oh, AI's going to replace, my jobs and shit. Yeah, it fucking will. It will replace your job. But what AI won't replace, it won't replace the human elements. That's what AI won't. It won't replace the human interaction, the human connection. It just won't. That's what I see. And yeah, that's what I really got to say. So before it's too late, post content and you'll thank me later. All right. See ya. Bye. Peace.